Welcome back to the Home Stretch. I'm your host, Nina Soden, with the Soden Team in North Alabama. Your coffee-fueled realtor ready to help you with all your real estate needs.
And I'm your co-host, Kat Frisby, your tattooed lender with Victorian Finance. Together, we're here to guide you through the twists, turns, and triumphs of buying, selling, and investing in real estate.
Today's episode is all about something buyers don't always think about when they start the home buying journey: the hidden costs.
That's right. Most people know about the down payment and the monthly mortgage, but there are a lot of extra expenses that can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. So today we're breaking down what those are, how much to expect, and how to budget for them.
Excellent topic. Okay, let's start with the big one: closing costs. Buyers are often surprised by just how much these can be.
Yes, closing costs usually range between 2 to 5% of the purchase price. They include things like lender fees, title insurance, attorney fees, taxes, and prepaid items like homeowners insurance and property taxes.
And sometimes buyers think, well, can't the seller just pay all of that for me? And while seller concessions are possible, they're not guaranteed, especially in a competitive market.
Exactly. That's why it's so important to plan ahead and budget for those costs.
Another expense buyers often don't realize they'll pay out of pocket: the home inspection and appraisal.
Right. The inspection usually runs $400 to $600 depending on the size of the home, and it's paid at the time of service. The appraisal, which the lender requires, is often around $500 to $700.
And both are critical. The inspection protects you by uncovering hidden issues, and the appraisal protects both you and the lender by making sure the home is worth what you're paying.
Here's the one that sneaks up on people: the cost of moving itself.
Oh boy, yes. Whether you're hiring professional movers, renting a truck, or just buying your friends pizza and bribing them, moving has a cost. Professional movers can run anywhere from several hundred to several $1,000s, depending on the distance and how much stuff you have.
And don't forget about packing supplies, boxes, tape, bubble wrap. It all adds up.
Okay, let's talk about those immediate home expenses that pop up once you move in.
Like appliances. Sometimes a home doesn't come with a refrigerator, a washer, dryer, or maybe you want to upgrade the old ones.
Exactly. And then there's furniture. Buyers often underestimate how much it costs to furnish extra rooms or replace pieces that don't fit in that new space.
Plus small things: curtains, rugs, light bulbs, shower rods, curtain rods. Those little purchases can easily add up to a total of hundreds of dollars in the first few weeks.
Let's move into the ongoing costs people forget to factor in. For example, HOA fees.
Yes, homeowners association fees can range from $25 a month to several hundred, depending on the community. They may cover amenities like pools or landscaping, but they're a reoccurring cost you need to budget for.
Another one: higher utility bills. If you're moving from an apartment to a larger home, expect your power, water, and gas bills to increase.
And don't forget maintenance costs. Lawn care, pest control, HVAC servicing. A good rule of thumb is to budget about 1% of your home value per year for maintenance and repairs.
And then there's the surprise factor. Even with a great inspection, things break. More often than not, buyers don't have a surprise repairs fund saved.
Maybe the water heater goes out, the AC stops working in the middle of summer, or the roof springs a leak.
That's why we always recommend having an emergency fund set aside. Ideally, a few $1,000s, so you're not panicked when something unexpected does happen.
So to recap, the hidden costs buyers often overlook include closing costs, inspection and appraisal fees, moving expenses, appliances and furniture, HOA fees, higher utilities, ongoing maintenance, and emergency repairs.
And the best way to prepare is to start budgeting early. Don't spend every dollar on your down payment. Keep some money in reserve so you can enjoy your new home instead of stressing over surprise expenses.
All right, that's it for today's episode of The Home Stretch. Hopefully this helps you plan ahead and feel confident about what's coming.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like and share this episode with a friend who's thinking about buying a home, and leave us a review. We love hearing from you.
Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on The Home Stretch.
Bye, y'all.